This open house is a plan of our broad strategy. Since we are opening a factory here, this whole year we have a series of events which are planned. From seminars, started with IMTEX seminar, this open house, and then the grand opening in June. So as a master marketing plan, this event has been organized. In the event, this open house, both the machines which are being making in India is a special attraction.
This is a first of open house that we are doing this year after the IMTEX. IMTEX was a big show for us because we displayed the Make in India machines, which is VCEZ 510 IP and 410 IP. They are the two vertical machining centers that we are going to manufacture in India. The plant is under construction and will be rolling out machines from July onwards. And after IMTEX, when we showed the machines to our customers, there were a lot of queries about the machines, how the machines will be and what will be the performance. So we wanted to have a feel to the customers. So we started this open house. It will be for 2 days, for today and tomorrow. And a lot of customers are coming from Pune and around Pune who are seeing the machine in action. And a lot of customers are promising and giving a good inquiries. We are able to conclude many orders as well in last 10 days. And the deliveries will be definitely up in the July month.
Yeah, so these are the two machines which are being built in the two plants. The production has already started, and in June we will officially do the grand opening of the plant, and which we will invite the customers and everyone. We have 7 partners who are participating with us in this event. These are our strong business partners. They have invited customers, we have invited customers, so it's a collaborative effort.
Mazak is making machines in India and the vertical machining center 510 which they are showcasing here is also being run by Masscam, and we invite our customers to come and take a look at it.
And this is new offering from Mazak India, the VCEZ 510 IP machine. This machine is exclusively made in India machine, which is capable of handling the general engineering as well as die and mold industry. So we can see here the component which is shown here is the steering, which is a demo component which we can show the accuracy as well as finishing we can achieve. And this is your machine, you can see.
This is our Indian product. We are making this machine in India, in Pune, and we are using heavy depth of cut, heavy cutting speed and heavy feed up to the 10,000, and drill size is 40 mm and tab size is M27/3.
Today we are displaying 9 machines, HMCs, VMCs and ton mill machines, and this multitasking machines.
In this open house, I am demonstrating demo on FJV 250. Basically, this is a double column machine. This is high rigidity and high accuracy machine, and this machine is used for die mold application.
Today I am going to demonstrate our most selling and interesting machine that comes from multitasking unit. So it is Veraxis i600, and on this machine we are going to demonstrate the impeller component. So there is a simultaneous 5-axis machining is there.